Hello friends, welcome to the new session of income and expenditure account. In this class, we will do another question on income and expenditure account regarding the adjustment of subscription. Here we have been given the subscription received as per the receipt and payment account for the year ending on 31st March 2020, which is of rupees 80,000. And as per the additional information, the outstanding subscription as on 31st March 2019 is 10,000 and on 31st March 2020 is 12,000. The advance subscription as on 31st March 2019 is 5,000 and 31st March 2020 is 8,000. And from the given information, we are required to calculate the amount of subscription that will be credited to the income and expenditure account for the year ending on 31st March 2020. Now, let us begin with the solution. As we know that the income and expenditure account is prepared on accrual basis, so it will record only that subscription which is related to the current period of time. That means for the year ending on 31st March 2020. So we will begin with the subscription received as per the receipt and payment account, which is rupees 80,000. Now we will add to it the subscription that is related to the current year, which is the outstanding subscription of 2019 and 20, which is 12,000, and the advance subscription for the year 2019-20. Now, the advance subscription for the year 2019-20 will be the subscription received in advance during the previous year, that is rupees 5,000. So, we will add 17,000 to the given amount and we will get the total of 97,000. Now from this we will subtract the amount which is not related to the current time period, that is outstanding subscription for the previous year, that is for 2018-19, which is 10,000, and the advance subscription received for the next year, that is 2020-21. It will be the subscription that is received in advance during the current year, that is of rupees 8,000. Now we will subtract 18,000 from 97,000, which will give us the amount to be credited in the income and expenditure account. So, the amount will be of rupees 79,000, which will be taken to the income and expenditure account, that is 79,000. This will be the amount as per the income and expenditure account. Hope it is clear to you. Match it with the format given.